Okay, so I'm going to work on getting Word documents from my H directory, work on them at home, and then get them back so I can get into my files at work. We're used to going into our files at work by going to our home directory, our H directory, clicking on it, and getting to what we need. But if we're at home on our personal computers that have Word, this is how we do it. So go to the launch page, go down to Cloud Access, type in my username and password that are the same as what I use to actually get into my computer. This is not your Google stuff. This is what you use to log onto your PC in the morning. So now I'm inside the cloud, and I want to work at home on a document that I was using. So let's say I want to work on the Erie Canal document. Now when I double click on that, it's going to give me a bunch of options, but because I want to work on it in Word, I want to hit download. The easiest thing to do is just highlight the doc and then go up to download. So now I'm pulling it from the H directory onto my computer at home. So now when I open it, Word is going to open that lives on my computer at home. I'm going to enable editing here, and now I'm going to make my changes. So let's say I had a name here and I'm continuing to work, and I want to put something here for a period, and then I also want to put the date. So I'm doing little updates. I'm working on my doc. Now I'm done with those updates, and I want to be able to get to those updates when I'm at work. So the first thing I have to do is save this file. And I'm saving it on my home computer. So for instance, I'm going to save it on a desktop so it's easy to get to. I've made the save, and now I'm going to close out Microsoft Word. But I can't get to the changes I made, because if I open up this doc at work, it's going to show the old one and not the new one. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to upload it now. I've downloaded it and worked on it at home. Now I need to send it back to school by uploading it. I'm going to hit upload, then I'm going to hit browse, and now I'll be able to find that document that I worked on. Let's scroll a little bit. I got a lot of stuff. There's my Erie Canal. Double click on it. So now it's ready to be sent back to the school's H drive, and I just have to click on upload. Now this is going to ask me if I want to overwrite the existing files. I want to click yes because I don't want the old one not to be updated. I want it to be updated, so I'm going to click yes so there's not duplicates in my H drive. So now I've made that change. There's a little dot there that shows me that I have. So now I'm done. I'm going to log out. And let's pretend I went to school. I'm in school. I got my Windows PC open. I click on my files. I go into Wrigley's home directory, and I'm going to find the changes I made to that Erie Canal one. So there is the Erie Canal right here. You can see changes were made. I'm going to open it up. Again, I'm at school now. I'm pretending I'm at school, and there are the changes that I made already there. Don't forget when you work on it at school to hit File Save As so that it's updated when you go into your doc at home. That's how you work on something at home, and make sure it's the same when you get to school.